The fifth term, eighth term, so fifth term, eighth term and 11th term of our GP or PQ are. So we have the following information given. The fifth, the eighth and the 11th term have been given, and then we have to prove Q square is equal to P into S. So the very first thing that we need to do with the working is, the proof is writing the formula. An is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Now let's substitute. So whether we are able to solve it or not, we'll see that later. At least we'll be able to substitute, that we know. So A into R to the power of 4, and this is equal to P, right? Then we have A 8, which is A into R to the power of 7, which is equal to Q. Then we have A 11, which is A into R to the power of 10, which is equal to S, right? And now what is that we have? We have Q square. Okay, so let's take up this squaring 1, equation 1, that is. So therefore what do we have? Q square is equal to A square into 7 to the power of, not 7 to the power of, let me do this systematically. So I'm squaring this and this. A bit of further simplification will help. So this is A square into R to the power of 14, right? So what is the set of formulas that we used over here? So we have made use of AB whole to the power of n, which is A to the power of n into B to the power of n, and also A to the power of n whole to the power of ms, A to the power of n into m. These are all the things that we have made use of, right? A square and R to the power of 7 square is R to the power of 14. Okay, we have to make things very clear. This is R. To be honest, I should have done this. This is R. What is this? Our LHS. Okay, now for our RHS, what we have to do is, we have to multiply 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 will give us what? Will fetch us P into Q, which is equal to A R to the power of 4 into A R to the power of 10. So we can clearly see A square R to the power of 14 is our result, and that's what our fourth, let me call this as fourth, that's our fourth equation, and this would be our fifth. Okay, so from 4 and 5 what can we tell? Therefore from equation 4 and 5, LHS is equal to RHS, and that's our proof. Okay, again, all I did was looked at what is required, and first thing is write the given, what to be proved, and write the things which is kind of common sense, and then looked at what I want. So what I wanted is the square of Q and the product of P and S. How will I get that? Take the respective equations and do that, as simple as that. Okay, so that would be your answer.